It's build day today at the Muse Forest, and it's an exciting day. Of course, as soon as I start talking, the wind picks up, but that's okay. Behind me, we got everything staged. By we, I mean my wife and I. She helped me move some plywood off of the platform onto over there. Now that some of the snow has melted, it is warm today. And when I mean warm in the winter of Connecticut, I mean like 37 degrees. But you know what? It's not 15, and I will take it. We're going to get a lot of progress done today. I have a friend coming a little bit later. It's going to be awesome. Check out the plan. Organized chaos is the theme of this project. I have all of this wood marked, ready to be cut into 91 1/4 inches. These are 96 inches right now. They'll be cut into studs. Once those are cut, I'm going to take down the jig, as I won't need my jig to mark the lines anymore of these boards, and I'll be able to start framing out some more walls. My wife and I moved the plywood that was staged over here. It's T111 siding. We moved it over there. Now that some of that snow is melted. I have the top plate on the wall, and my goal today is to get 2, maybe 3 more walls put up. If I can do that, that would be a huge milestone. A lot of work to get to. Let's see the progress that I can make in a day. My wife and I got started by moving the T111 siding off of the building to the side, and I went up on the ladder and I put in the top plate. Okay, I have laid out the wall, and now I just got to screw it in. Gosh, these time lapses make this whole thing look so easy. I cut out all the studs, and then I started framing the wall. Screwed it in, nailed it in, and with my friend, we got it up. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. Okay. This is not terrible. Yeah. Why did I think it was terrible before? Oh, this only has one header. Do you have that?
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, wow. What? How is... Okay, that...
Bump it out more to the edge.
Yeah. I gotta bump it. And there you have it. 2 walls are up. I am told you need 4 and maybe a roof. And along the way, we found a snake with Ruby checking it out. A garter snake in the middle of winter? Well, I've seen worse. Thanks for watching.